Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Time to get back up on that old roof. You know I love it, but it's got to be done. We're going to hammer some nails. We're going to do some this and that, some bits and bobs. Let's go. Okay, so we've just got up on the roof. There's swags of stuff to be done here. We're going to have to get rid of some of this rust here. We're going to treat that with some rust killer. There's nails like this one here. That's going to have to be hammered down. There's screws to be replaced. Gutter's looking quite clean. And there's a couple of holes in the roof that are going to have to be filled. Then we're going to go onto the back roof. We're going to do some grinding. There's a massive hole there. It's under the eave. We're going to deal with that. And we'll just see what we can do. Right, so here we go here. We got this rust down here. We're going to treat some of that. We'll get some of this rust killer stuff out and we'll give this a blast. We'll see if we can lay some of this across this stuff, see what it does. But unfortunately I've forgotten the container. We need to put this rust killer stuff in. We got this stuff here. This is called CRC Rust Converter Liquid, 1 litre. I think it cost about $20. We'll see if it works. Who knows? It's definitely worth a crack, Nigel. Just got these ones. I've just got metal.
Got a rubber seal though.
Well, I think it's metal. Oh, maybe it's rubber.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah, yeah, you might be right. Yeah, it does. That's pretty.
That's all I replaced my ones with. I didn't put them. I put some of the big ones on, but I think they were the PVC type ones.
Right, it's a good size there. That's a 9mm for the screws. Okay, so now we've poured some of this rust converter stuff into a ice cream container. We'll just literally dab it onto the bits that need it, basically. We'll see what it pans out like. So here's a couple of the worst bits here. We will slap a whole bunch on here, that's for sure. So now under this bit here, this piece here is completely rusted out. So we're going to apply the grinder to it. We'll wire brush it first, apply the grinder, clean it up, put some rust repellent on it, and we'll see how it cleans up. Oh look, Denise is down there changing the sawdust for the chickens. Lucky chickens. Little Clucky. Hello little Clucky. Can't you see me? I can see you. Right, we're not adding too much this time. Just enough to do this bit down here. It's not as badly rusted as I thought it would be. Okay, so what's left to do out here? I think the time of the day is way too hot. It's about just coming up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's way too hot to be out here. It's 20 degrees, which in terms of New Zealand is pretty warm. There's certainly a lot of rust spots that we haven't even started to look at. So it's just basically really just about making a start today. Just getting it started, just moving on. We'll do some more. Maybe during the week, maybe in the weekend. Just got to keep going. So it's looking like the rust colour is working, you'd have to say, but it's going to need some top coats of some other stuff that I've got to go on top of that. So what has it done? Well, it looks pretty much the same, to be honest. Gonna let it dry out. Hopefully it's going to do what it needs to do. These ones look pretty much the same. Pretty much dry. Has done something. But we're going to cover that up next time.
There we go, a little bit of work done each day. It soon adds up and we'll get there in the end. Plenty of work to go on this particular project. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Any tips are more than welcome, and we'll catch you in the next video. See you later.